Hey everyone, this is my webpage that I have created. Um, is about News Online. This is a non-profit organization. This organization is dedicated to providing training for employed people to get new skills to find a new job. This is the main purpose of this website, and I placed 5 sessions, uh, and in the middle I put the call to action. I put a very nice quote. I like very much this quote, and this part is to support and to get donations from the people. In the other sessions, I wrote some goals or objectives of this organization. For example, solidarity, support, and confidence. And what this organization offer: course, certificates, training, classes, tools, and materials. I like very much uh, this design, and for me, I have to learn a lot in this semester because for me, DB was a very useful tool to get this design. I am grateful for this opportunity to learn in this semester, and I am ready to continue my learning. I go to create a new web page about my company, my business, and I think that I go uh, to reach very well this part. Thank you very much. Sorry for my English, but I am grateful for this opportunity to learn in this semester. Thank you very much.